Hello, I'm Patty Simpson, and today we're going to talk about permutations and combinations. I'm going to make several videos, and this is just the first, to help us with a basic understanding of when to use permutation versus combination. So, permutation, order matters. So we're going to use permutations anytime order matters. Combinations we'll use when order doesn't matter. Let me give you some examples. In our first example, a club is choosing 5 members for different positions, for president, vice president, treasurer, secretary, and historian. Each one of those positions is different. So when we are chosen, if the first one's going to be president, that is a different position than vice president. And so there the order matters, and we would use permutation. Permutation. Similar scenario, a club is choosing 5 members to sit on a committee. There it doesn't matter if the member is chosen first or 5th. They're all going to go to the same committee and sit on the committee. So there the order doesn't matter, so we would use combination. Here's another example. I'm going to choose 3 people from my class to give bonus points to. The first person I choose gets 10 points. The second person I choose gets 5 points. And the last person I choose gets 2 points. There, you want to be chosen first. The order matters. And so, therefore, here we would use a permutation. Same example or a similar example. I'm going to choose 3 people again to get bonus points, and every one of the people, each person I choose is going to get 5 bonus points. There, you don't care if you're chosen first or if you're chosen third, as long as you're chosen. So order doesn't matter there, so we use combination. On our last one here, another example. Here I'm going to choose 5 dogs from the pound. In my first example, I'm going to take those 5 dogs home with me from the pound. Again, it doesn't matter if I choose that dog first or if I choose it 5th. All 5 dogs are going to get to go home with me. So therefore, order doesn't matter. This is a combination. In our last example, I'm going to choose 5 dogs, but I'm going to line them up. And I want to know how many different ways I can arrange them in line. Well, spotted dog at the front is different than spotted dog at the back. And so therefore order matters, and that's a permutation. Now, it's a little bit confusing, this permutation and combination, especially because when I think of a combination lock, I think order matters there. Really and truly in the English language, those combination locks should be called permutation locks. So from now on, anytime you're locking up a bicycle or using a lock to lock up a locker, you should call that a permutation lock because order matters. Hope that helps. In our next video, we'll use the formula for permutations and combinations. Till next time.